I have to be honest that in the beginning, our party was mostly negative. No, not myself because I voted for form and substance. No, but most of the party was negative. Today, I think the majority is in favor of sending this to the Senate. We have a hardcore that is still negative to the proposal. There is a middle ground of some people who want to abstain. But the last conversation we had yesterday at our meeting was that we would all go back to our constituents and have one more round of conversations with them to see how we would vote finally on this matter. Of our 55 members, siguro mga I would say maybe 60%. I think there's at least 30. Well, here, I mean, it depends again on what their consultations with their districts will say. Yung mga problema dyan, syempre, in Mindanao, nahirapan yung aming mga miyembro kasi when they ask around, everybody says no. I mean, that's just the fact of the matter. They will call their barangays and everybody is saying no. And never mind daw kung, tuyuan sila ng projects. They don't care if, they are made to suffer over the next 2 years. They just really cannot accept the impeachment of their vice president. In other areas, as you know, the Iglesia ni Cristo has a very strong position about this matter, and it continues to be there. There are many districts where there's a very high percentage of voters from that church. No, so they of course have an important voice also in their districts.